Good morning, guys. Today we gotta go to Harbor Freight. I gotta go get a hardware socket for the hardware that I purchased. I currently don't have it, but first I gotta go outside. I gotta go warm up my truck, so let's go outside. Let's go. Excuse the truck, it's probably a little dirty right now. Let's get ready to head over to Harbor Freight. Alright, so I'm gonna let my truck warm up for a couple minutes. I'm gonna hit my e-cig for a moment, and we'll see you when we get to Harbor Freight. Alright guys, so I just made it to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna run inside, see if they have the hardware socket, and if they do, thank God, because AutoZone doesn't have it, and if they don't have it, I'm gonna have to order it online. I'm gonna have to wait a couple days for it to come in, but let's run inside and see if they have it, hopefully. Alright, walking in. I'm really praying they do have the socket. If they don't, it's gonna take me a couple days, but it's fine, fuck it. Let's see.
Maybe something like that.
Yeah, but that's maybe these ones right here. These actually look like them, but these are.
Those look kind of close.
How many points is that? That's a 6 point.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Probably just look around. All right, boss. Thank you. I am currently looking for the one on the right. As you see, it's a socket that wraps around, and I am currently not finding it. Oh, there we go. Sockets all the way down. So I believe I found it. Looks like it meets up to what it's supposed to. Can you catch me? Oh. Okay, well that was the dumbest shit I've done. I tried entering through the entrance door when they have an exit door that I didn't see on the side. This wind's crazy. So I just left Harbor Freight. I got the socket, thank God. It fits perfect. And as of right now, I'm gonna go grab some food and head home. We'll just see you when we get there. Just got back home, I got my food. I'm gonna hop back inside. I'm gonna probably kick it for a minute and eat my food. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna get into and go more about what's gonna be posted on my channel, what content will be there. And I'll just see you guys inside in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you my current status on where I'm at with my wheels, what I'm waiting on, what needs to be done. The current thing that I am trying to get done is clean up my barrels and repolish the lips that I had on my rear to put on my front wheels. And I have the powder coated faces, but yeah, I'm not gonna show those until the wheels are completely rebuilt. And I will probably show you a sneak peek of the hardware that I bought, but let me just show you guys where I'm at currently and what needs to be done. As you can see, these are, I believe, 4.5-inch lips, wed lips. So I am building wed crane LXZs. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, they have some minor curb rash, but nothing a little bit of sandpaper and some polish can take out. But that's what I need to get done. I only have 2 of these to get done because I ordered 2 more lips from 3 Piece. I'm currently waiting for them by the end of the month. And I also ordered some center caps, some gel center caps from him, but currently the process is taking a little bit longer than I expected. But I've been in contact with them and they've told me that they will be out of maybe within a week or so. So I'm waiting on those. I'll rebuild those probably with the faces as well. And I should maybe even have one wheel rebuilt. And these are my barrels. I believe they're 6.5-inch barrels. They are currently dirty, no weights. Well, actually, they do have weights, but once they're rebuilt, they'll be balanced again. So I just got to get some degreaser, a pad, scrub it down, clean it off, spray it, and they should be looking brand new as well. Get some glue off to get off all this tar or tape stuff or whatever you want to call it. And on my next video, it'll probably contain all this content. Alright guys, so at the moment that's all I have for you guys as in content, but over the next few weeks I'll be posting more vlogs and more content videos about what I'm going to be doing to my car over the next few weeks and months. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, I would appreciate it. Over the next few weeks I'll be going over my wheel rebuild process, my anointed arrow kit installation, my wide body kit. I'll be taking my car to Premium Impressions in Albuquerque, New Mexico by William. I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs about touching up like the little details on my car, like the trims, and detailing it inside and my engine bay, and I have motor mounts, I have headers that I got to put in, I got just a bunch of little things. But I'm out. Be safe. God bless. See you later.